Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I actually have a Portland leather goods haul for you today. They have been having great sales. In fact, they still do, I believe right now, have 10% off. They're almost perfect items, and that even includes their mystery boxes. So I've never seen that before. Granted, I haven't quite followed them a year yet, but I was super excited. So I gave in, and well, I gave in because partially I had heard that some people were getting some greens in their mystery boxes and some people were getting Dakotas. And I want Dakota, and I really wanted a green bag. So I thought, I'm going to do it. I like the mini crossbody totes. So I did that. It was 3 minis and then 8 littles. So I'm going to show you the littles that I got first. I got this little like taco pouch.
So it is soft shell?
Yeah. And I believe this is nutmeg. And one of the items I don't have, because I'm already using it, it's full of pens. I got the bigger one that's, like this size, and I got it in avocado. So it's a dark green, really pebbled leather, and it's beautiful, and I love it. I love this too. I just think this is really nice, and it's a really nice size. Next item I got is this little, I believe this is called the Ballpark, and I believe this is in plum.
Like a ballpark Frank?
Maybe. So, we'll see once. Pull the bag out here. Yeah, I believe that. I would say that's the same. So that was in the plum color.
No, the one in your left hand's bigger. Right?
Anyways, that one's the plum.
Oh, color. Gotcha.
Then I got this. So I need some help. I don't know what color this is for sure. Is it coming up about the right color on camera?
Coming up a little pinkier on camera.
Okay.
That's the word of the day.
It's like a smoky mauve, I would call it. But I love this. This little, I use this as a card holder. So I was super excited about that. I didn't have anything in that color. I got this little keychain. And I don't normally, I wouldn't say normally like these so much, but I really like the color. Again, it's like the plum, and I really like it and think it will go with a lot of my bags. So I'm actually kind of excited about that one. Well, I should say I'm excited. I got this. These pouches are always nice. They're like a little wristlet as well. Just nice zippers, and opens up. All the stuff has, well, I shouldn't say all of it. Like, this does not feel like it's the back side. Maybe it is the back side of the leather. It's not suede-like, though. It's just like a more, like you can almost feel it. Like a softer inside, but I don't know what color this is either. So if anybody wants to tell me what color this is, I would really appreciate it.
So you keep all your important documents in there?
No.
Okay.
This is the one thing I don't need because I already have a couple. I got a passport holder, but I do like the color. The red color I think is nice.
So you're not going to be like Jason Bourne and have 5 different ones?
Probably not.
Okay.
And you could use this for something else too. So I'm still excited to have it. And then the last little I got was this journal in Reef. And this is Reef. Yeah, I love this color. So I was super, super excited to get this. Sometimes they give you lined journals. Sometimes they give you just plain paper. And you can buy refills on the site. So I got that there.
You can put your doodles in there.
I can put my doodles in there. That's right. All right. Now for the bags. Well, right off the bat, I was a little disappointed. Not really disappointed. That's not true. I was just not as excited because the first bag I got was this. And I already have this bag, the deep water. And I was sure that I had the deep water with a zipper because this one comes with a zipper. But come to find out I don't. I only have it with a snap. So I was really excited. So I will probably sell my blue deep water that has a snap and keep this one with a zipper. So then I was very excited by this one.
So you're saying you're more of a zipper girl than a snap girl?
Yeah. The next one I got, I'm not sure what color this is. This is a brown, and I do have some other browns here. It's very similar to this, but it's not exactly the same. But the leathers are very like comparable. It's pretty gushy. So I asked the OG Portland Leather Goods girl, that's what I like to call Autumn Beckman, if she asked her if she knew what color it was, and she said just at first blush she thought maybe it was chestnut. So I was super excited because I do not have this color, and I've been really into browns lately. In fact, the bag I just got done carrying was my tote in Grizzly. And the last bag I got, she didn't know what color it was, and I don't know what color it was. It is this beauty. I love this. Now, this is not sunflower because it is a very pebbled leather, and sunflower is not pebbled like this. And let's see, where's my little... Okay, I had a little taco pebble thing in sunflower, and I can't find it right now.
I thought it was a real taco.
No,
I
stop.
ate it.
It was a little miniature dop kit, not to that. But
Oh, okay.
I also have this yellow that I do not know the color of. And then I have this, and it's similar, but this is honeycomb. And this one has a little bit bigger pebbling too. But it's squishier than this one is. And so now I need help. Does anybody know what color either one of these are? This one I had already. This one is, and it's not sunflower. Neither one is sunflower.
I think it's sunshine.
No. It maybe, where is... So much is sitting here. I'm just going to get up for a second.
I think it's sunshine and Colonel Mustard.
It isn't, but okay. I don't know. But if anyone can help, I'd really like to know these colors. I've been liking a yellow bay lately. I didn't have really any other than my little smaller Coach tote that I had. And so I'm just really excited to have these. So that's my haul. I'm still tempted. I'm so tempted to get another one because they're still on sale. And who knows what colors I'd come up with then. But
No.
well, we'll see. I probably won't, at least not yet. But I was very excited. Would you stop? I was very excited to get these, and really appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. And in fact, just leave a comment. I absolutely love everybody's comments. I answer every question that's down there, and I really like interacting with everybody. It helps me get to know everybody a little bit better. And if you wouldn't mind, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. I'm trying to grow my channel. Really appreciate your subscribing to my channel. Also, hit the little like button if you like this, and the little bell notification, because if you hit that, every time my videos come up, you'll get to see them. I typically post, I'm not completely set yet, so it's usually Tuesday or Wednesday, and then usually Saturday or Sunday. I'm hoping by the beginning of the year, I'll get an idea of for sure what 2 days it's going to be. But right now, the plan is just 2 days a week. However, I am doing Vlogmas this year.
Oh, boy.
So you can find me and or the camera person with the big mouth on here. On here.
I've measured it. It's not that big.
Every day in December, we're going to do the 1st through the 24th, just a random amount or a random bunch of videos that I'm putting out for you. Some collection videos.
I got to work on my birthday?
Review, maybe. Review
gosh.
videos. Yeah, just all kinds of stuff. If you have any things that you'd like me to do a video on, or Mick, just let us know. In the comments down below. And find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And just to recap, we need colors on these bags. I still think it's Sunshine on the right, Colonel Mustard on the left. Have a good day.